How to enable the Now bar on Samsung Galaxy. This tutorial shows you how to turn on and customize the Now bar feature on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on Lock Screen and AOD to open the lock screen settings. From there, scroll down and look for the Now bar option and tap on it. At this point, you'll be taken to the Now bar settings page where you can manage everything related to it. In the next step, tap the toggle at the top to enable the Now bar. Following this, once it's turned on, you'll see a list of apps and features that can display live information on the Now bar. Once done, go through each option and toggle on the ones you want to appear. This can include music playback, timers, alarms, navigation, and more. From here, tap on any individual app to customize exactly what information it shows on the Now bar. At this stage, once you're happy with your selections, go back to the main Now bar settings and make sure everything is configured the way you want. After this, press the power button to lock your screen and wake it back up. Finally, you'll see the Now bar appear at the bottom of your lock screen, displaying live updates from the apps you selected. And that's it. If this Samsung guide helped you enable and set up the Now bar, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.